Aelil Nuada is a Harlequin Shadowseer in service to the Conclave of Tears, broaching an alliance between both Asuryani and Drukhari to better defend the Jericho Reach from annihilation. This intermediator of Kegarak is a master of both performance and the psychic arts. A veteran of countless centuries of travel among the troops of the Laughing God, Nuada has graced every domain of the fractured Eldari Empire, and even danced for Farseer Eldrad Ulfran within Craftworld Ulthway's Dome of Lamentations. Attending court in the presence of Asdrubael Vecht, within the throne room of his Dark City's most elaborate palace, such is the peril facing the Jericho Reach, that Aelil has set aside all her former responsibilities. Aided only sparingly by her Harlequin peers since her founding of the Conclave of Tears, none among the Inquisition's dead cabal have ever seen this enigmatic soul with their own eyes, and know only scant reports of her deeds. Tracked only through the portents of the Emperor's Tarot due to her expert maneuvering, the Imperium knows that should this member be removed from the Conclave, its dissolution would be assured. More a figurehead than the leader of the Conclave of Tears, Nuada binds its members together in purpose, the sheen of her silvered mask never removed, even within the presence of her peers, reflecting both what she and those she converses with wish to see. Her dance of death, utterly devastating within the midst of battle. Her mask shows terrifying visions of her opponent's death masks moments before their own demise. The most active of all members of her conclave, making efforts to uncover the secrets of the dead worlds within the Outer Reach, Nuada shall once again peer upon the dread which slumbers therein, as she did centuries ago. The only soul to truly comprehend that which lurks in the darkness, Aelil shall take any and all measures to ensure its wrath shall not subsume the stars.